Eyelash strip application service. In this bag, items that must be labeled are your adhesive glue. Also, I chose to use a gallon size bag, quart size bag, and a sandwich bag for this setup. Eyelash strip application service. In this bag, items that must be labeled are your adhesive glue. Also, I chose to use a gallon size bag, quart size bag, and a sandwich bag for this setup. For this section, you're going to have 14 minutes. You will be reminded when you have 7 minutes remaining. Of course, we want to always start by sanitizing our station and our hands. And then we're going to get our mannequin head set up and draped for services. All right, now that our mannequin is secure, we're going to go ahead and remove any makeup using a cotton round and makeup remover and prepare the client for the lash adhesive. Okay, we want to prepare our lash by adding our adhesive, using our tweezers to remove it from the packaging so that it does not mess up your client's lash. We want to apply our adhesive a thin layer and let it dry just a little. Using the tweezers, we're going to apply our lash strip to our client's lash, making sure that the artificial lash strip merges well with our natural lash line and that it dries evenly. Once you are satisfied with your placements, we're going to properly dispose of waste materials, ensure that our workstation area remains sanitary. We want to ensure that our draping is maintained throughout the service. We've made sure that we've placed our contaminated items in the proper place. We have ensured that containers may remain closed when not in use. The kit remains sanitary and we avoid cross-contamination. Once you are complete, again, you want to always sanitize your hands in your station and then raise your hand to be graded.